नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेवियन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today session we are going about discuss the audit committee. In this first subject our topic audit committee. So let's start the topic. What is audit committee? Audit committee shall assist the board of director in the oversight of the integrity of the financial statement of the company, the effectiveness of the internal control over financial reporting, the independent registered public accounting firm's qualifications and independence. The independent registered public accounting firms and qualifications and independence, the performance of the companies, and internal audit functions and independent registered public accounting firms. The company's compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, and the performance of the company's compliance function. Now let me discuss our organization and memberships. Means the committee shall be appointed by the board and consist of least 3 directors, each of whom are independent of management and the company as defined by the bylaws of the company and the SEC and New York Stock Exchange, as well as clause 49 of the listing agreement, and 2/3 of the members shall be independent directors, and also committee members shall be financially literate or shall become and financially literate within a responsible period of time, and after appointment to the committee shall aspire to have at least one member, and who is an audit committee financial reports experts, as such terms is defined by the SEC. And also next topic, the subject heading and subheading is meeting for meeting and audit committee. The audit committee shall meet at least thrice in a year. Once meeting shall be held, and before finalizations of annual and accounts, and one every 6 months. The quorum shall be either 2 members or 1/3 of members of the audit committee, and whichever is higher, and minimum of 2 independent directors. Now let's discuss on power of audit committee. The audit committee shall have power which should include the following: to investigate and any activity within its terms of reference, to seek information from any employee, and to obtain outside legal or other professional advice. Next, and to secure attendance of outsiders with relevant and extras, and if it considers necessary. And now let us discuss the rule of audit committee. The rule of audit committee is to shall be included the following: an oversight of the company's financial reporting, progress, process, and the disclosure of its financial informations, to ensure that the financial statement is correct and sufficient and credible. The recommendation, the appointment and renewal of external auditor, frictions of audit fee, and also approval for payment for any other services. Now, review with management the annual financial statements before submissions to the board, and focusing primarily any change in accounting policies and practice. Measure accounting entires based on exercise of judgment by management. Qualification is draft audit report. And next one is significant advertisement arising out of audit. The going concern assumptions and compliance with accounting standards. Compliance with the stock exchange and legal requirements, and concerning financial statements. The management and external and internal auditors, and the accuracy of internal control and systems. Now we discuss review of information by audit committee. The audit committee shall methodically review the following statements: the financial statements and draft audit report, including half-yearly financial informations. And management discuss and analyzing of financial conditions and results and operations, results of operations, and reports relating to compliance with laws and to risk management. And management letters of internal control and weakness is used by statutory and internal auditors. And records of related party and transactions. The appointment and renewal and terms of the chief internal auditor and shall be subject to review by the audit committee. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.